Okay, it's Friday, March 16th, and I just cleaned most of these bottles with a broom and a rake, and I watered them down. And over here, at this end, I added some dirt from the back garden in between some of the bottles, and then I hosed it down to make the dirt sink down a bit. And then Eddie and I went to Home Depot, and we bought these 6 bags of sand. And so we're gonna open up these bags of sand, and we're gonna fill in the spaces between the bottles, and basically spread the sand over the entire bottle garden to kind of help level it out. And these are the tools we're going to use. Okay. Narrate it whatever way you want. Okay. So Eddie,
here are 6 bags of sand. Got it from Home Depot.
That's right. Hi, Eddie.
Andrew.
Eddie was kind enough to come out and hold the camera for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this box cutter, and I'm going to come up here at this end. Oh dear, we have a snail.
A snail, an escargot. Oh, we can have an escargot for dinner.
I'm going to put him in a safe place under the house. There. Okay. And I'm going to start with the first bag of sand. And each of these bags of sand cost $3.57. So this was about $24, well, $23 worth of sand. It's not very expensive, so I'm just going to open this up.
Yeah, I thought it would be at least $30 because
the last time,
a couple years ago, it was like $5 a bag.
Yeah, we did the other side of the bottle garden. I keep saying last year, but it was 2010. It was 2 years ago. And you're right, the bags of sand were almost $4.
Yes.
But you know what I think they've done? I think the bags of sand are a little smaller than they used to be. I think we got bigger bags of sand 2 years ago. But I may be wrong. But these look a little smaller. Okay, and I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to...
Oh, sandbox sand.
Yeah. This is fine sandbox. And while I'm going to go ahead and open up another one. I'm going to do these 2 at a time. This is up here at this end. This is the end that really needs to be filled in.
Yeah.
So basically I'm gonna work on this and just work my way down. I'm gonna start with this guy, maybe. Yeah. This is an old rake that doesn't serve much function anymore because all the teeth have worn down, but it works really well for this. Because at this point, all I have to do is push this around and get it in there. And then what I'll do after this is I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hands. Put that blade away. Oh yeah, this actually just works better. This is more enjoyable. Okay. Yeah, and there are these little air pockets, so I'm going to have to work it in. Oh, you still film? I'm sitting here. I'm just getting into this.
You look cool too. It's too bad.
Okay, if you think you have enough footage,
Yeah.
and if you want to. some of these, when I get this evenly distributed and I get the bottles, I'm going to have to raise some of the bottles up. I've got a low spot in here. And so I'm going to raise some of these bottles up to try and make it a little more level. But the thing is, this is not, I'm not concerned about it being super level. I'm just concerned with it being more or less usable.
Mm-hmm.
See how this works. Oh. Yeah, see, I get these pockets I have to go in and fill in. And I may have to leave this overnight to let it dry out, and then tomorrow I can just go in and I can fill it.
Too damp.
Yeah, see, that's it. Yeah, a lot of this sand needs to dry out. So that's going to be... But I think I'll work this tomorrow. I'll probably come out here and work this with a brush or even a spoon or something. But for now I'm just going to use the broom. Let's see. I'm glad we got the 6 bags because I think that's going to be plenty. Because this is only 3 bags, and this seems to be enough to work with. It's just that right now it's damp, and so what I'll have to do is I'll just have to let this dry out overnight. Yeah, see, and that's giving me this extra sand to work with that I could transfer over here where I don't have enough. See, and there's some pockets that didn't fill up. I'm going to have to work on those. Okay. Okay, I think I'm just going to keep doing this. So you can keep filming me if you want, but if... All right. Here we are. Okay. Here's the bottle garden. And what I did today was I spread as much sand over this as I could from 3 bags of sand, and then I raked it over, tried to make it as even as possible, and then I brought out the garden hose and just wetted it down so that the sand would help sink the sand between the bottles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry overnight, or maybe over a couple of days depending on the weather. And then I'm going to come back out here and I'll probably put one more thin layer of maybe 1 or 2 bags of sand over the whole thing, and then clean it up. But this is how it looks now, and it looks pretty good. And I've got, from now on, I'm just going to continue the garden from here on back so that it'll blend in with the plantings in the rest of the garden. And these trash bins will go all the way to the front of they'll sit on top of the bottles near the fence, near the end of the fence. Let's see, and I have a few bottles. Yep, I got 23 bottles here. I've got 559 bottles here. And so these will be added. And then I've got my sand here. I've got Tuxedo Kitty here. And I've got another bag of sand here. Okay, this is starting to look good. Okay, it's Sunday afternoon, I believe it's March 18th, 2012, and today I am pushing the sand out of the bottle bottoms, like this. So I'm going to go through here basically and just clean out the sand. I've already worked on this side over here, and I'm just working my way down, and it's going pretty fast. It goes faster than it looks. So I want to do this. It's Sunday afternoon. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, so I want to get this done before it rains. And the reason I'm pushing the sand out of the bottle bottoms is because I don't want things to grow in the bottle bottoms. I don't mind if there's clover or small things growing in between the bottles, but I want to keep the bottle bottoms clean and clear. Okay.